everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY hair oil that can help with hair growth as well as treat hair loss. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first ingredient that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be 2 tablespoons of marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is a great moisturizer. If you are having any hair issues like eczema, psoriasis, or a dry scalp, marshmallow root will produce a gooey plant substance that provides a protective film, which is also a great source of proteins and vitamins for your hair. You'll notice that your hair has more luster, bounce, and is much more healthier than before. Also, marshmallow root is effective treatment for reducing hair breakage and prolonging the growth cycle of your hair. And the second ingredient is 2 tablespoons of lavender flowers. Lavender is known to boost the fight against hair loss and increase circulation to hair follicles for stronger, healthier looking hair strands. In fact, people use lavender for hair growth because of its antibacterial properties are thought to stimulate cells. Also, lavender works to nourish and hydrate, which helps to soften brittle hair strands. So now I'm just going to place all the ingredients into a mason jar, and then I'm going to place 1 cup of olive oil into the mason jar as well. You can use any carrier oil. So now I'm just going to place the mason jar into a pot of boiling water. I have my stove set in between medium to low heat. If you choose not to do this method, you can also use a crock pot, or if you don't want to use heat at all, you can place the mason jar into a cabinet and you can leave the oil in the cabinet for about 2 weeks. After 2.5 hours, I removed the mason jar from the heat and I allowed the oil to cool down. And now I'm just going to strain the oil. The shelf life of this oil is 12 to 18 months. Make sure that you keep it in a cool, dry area of your home. With this oil, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, a scalp oil, and you can also add a few tablespoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner. As a scalp oil, you can use this oil daily or at least 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure you apply it to your roots and massage it into your scalp. Also, you can add your favorite essential oils to the oil as well. The hot oil treatment, apply it from root to ends. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and then wash out with your favorite shampoo. Also, you can use this oil as an overnight treatment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!